These are rare photographs from history, presented with context and accuracy. To see more historical photos, you can subscribe to our channel. A boy shines the boots of an American soldier, Saigon, 1968. A German Swabian family on their way to a baptism, Banat, Romania, 1930s. A peasant woman feeds her son Persia, 1900. A Sikh soldier holds a captured German flag after the surrender of German forces in Italy, May 1945. A young black man sitting on the arm of a bench reserved for white people in South Africa, 1959. Adolf Hitler spent much of his time at his Eastern Front headquarters near Rastenburg in East Prussia, 1942. Air traffic controllers, London, 1955. An American soldier and a Somali child walking in opposite directions across a desert, December, 1992. British mother tests her mask along with her baby, 1940s. Carrie Fisher and President Richard Nixon, 1973. Civilians and military rebels at the Cordoba Aviation School, Argentina, 1955. Czech protester facing a column of riot police during the Velvet Revolution, November 1989. Dolly Parton backstage at the Grand Ole Opry, photographed by David Montgomery in the 1970s. Elvis Presley and Priscilla with their new daughter Lisa Marie, February 1968. Executioner John Woods, who hanged several of the leaders of the Third Reich. Feeding children of stricken families of the Spanish flu, 1918. First aid course for police, Berlin, 1946. Flora Sanders, the British female World War I veteran, playing chess with Serbian soldiers on the Salonika front, 1916. Garment factory workers listened to Martin Luther King Jr.'s funeral service on a portable radio, April 1968. German Storm Division members unloading books to be publicly burned in Berlin, May 1933. Gwendolyn Brooks was the first black American to win a Pulitzer Prize in 1950 for poetry. Hitler Youth Parade, 1936. In 1992, an incredible rescue story took place at an annual festival in Victoria, Australia. James Meredith became the first black student to graduate from the University of Mississippi, August 1963. Japanese listening to the recorded radio broadcast of Emperor Hirohito announcing the surrender of Japan, August 1945. Judy Garland taking a break on the set of The Wizard of Oz, 1939. Members of the White House press corps rushed to telephones after Truman announced Japan's surrender, August 1945. Moscow Police Lieutenant Nina Demchenko takes aim at a target, USSR, 1968. Musician at Miami University using his instrument as a sunshade, 1966. Police breaking up a fight between Czech and ethnic German students over the use of medieval insignia at Charles University in Prague, 1934. President Theodore Roosevelt sits in a crane cab during a visit to the construction site of the Panama Canal, 1906. Presidents Kennedy, Eisenhower, and Truman at Eleanor Roosevelt's funeral, November 1962. Princess Diana teaching nursery school at Pimlico, London, 1980. Prostitutes in a brothel, Alaska, 1880s. Relay of Youth, a national holiday to celebrate Josip Broz Tito's birthday in Yugoslavia, May 1982. Rosa Shanina and Alexandra Maximovna Ekimova, 1944. Soldiers and civilians in position in front of the Cabildo of Córdoba during the battles of the Liberating Revolution, Argentina, 1955. Soviet soldiers liberated by the US Army from a German prison camp in France, 1944. Star Clark Gable at boot camp to get training for World War II, where he will serve as a gunner, Florida, 1942. Tea drinking on the streets of the Warsaw Ghetto, German-occupied Poland, June 1941. The aftermath of the Louisville, Kentucky sewer explosions, 1981. The colossal Olmec heads. The first web conference at CERN, May 1994. Three nurses and a group of young children sitting around a Centrosol sunray lamp at the Miriam Price Coleman Day Nursery, 1938. Ukrainian nationalists parade through the streets of Stanislaw in honor of the visit of German Governor-General Hans Frank, October 1941. Unemployed men wearing signs offering to work for $1 a week demonstrate in Times Square. You can also see the signs on their chests showing their professions. November 1930. U.S. Marine Charles Lindbergh of Richfield, Minnesota, shown on Mount Suribachi on Iwo Jima, 1945. Early 20th century military personnel photographed in a wartime setting. Weary Marines in pouring rain during the Battle of Guam, 1944.